All right, coming back again with another opportunity. Armchair income. Armchair income opportunity. $40 to get started. $40 to get started, and you go from there. New opportunity. $40 to get started with this opportunity. You get all this with your kit. That's the postcard right there. Right there, there's your postcard right there. $40 to get you started, and you can upgrade from $40 to $155 or $175, whichever level you want to come aboard in. So this is a new opportunity, brand new opportunity, all the way from California. So again, not marketers. I don't know what you're going looking for. What do y'all want to do? You got to sign up for something. You got to sign up to do something. Can't wait. You can move around. You got to move around. Seriously, you got to move around. So here's the income, new opportunity for anybody who want to come aboard. You get all those leads. There's those leads right there. And there's the owner right there. And this is their address marketing company. So I don't know what to tell you guys. You gotta come about something. You're getting new fresh leads, resource leads, direct mail, and so forth and so on. It's your stamps. So I don't know what to tell you. I can't keep repeating myself over and over again. Keep telling you the same thing. We have to come aboard something. There's my ID number right there. 125. That's my ID number. So we gotta come to something. All right, thank you.